Affiliate marketing for beginners: how to make your first affiliate marketing sale in 7 steps. The lure of affiliate marketing is undeniable. Who can resist passive income? But to make the passive income happen, you have got to put in some work first. To succeed in affiliate marketing, there are a number of crucial steps you must take before you earn that first affiliate profits. And these steps are, well, not passive. The good news is that if you're determined to make this work and are willing to put in the time and effort, you're already well on your way to affiliate marketing success. All the work you put in is to help you make your first affiliate marketing sale. There is nothing like a first sale to motivate you and make you keep at it. So, what do you need to do to get started? 7 steps to earning your first affiliate commission. We've broken down the process into 7 steps for affiliate marketing beginners. Following this guide will set you on the right course and have you earning your first commission in no time. 1. Choose a niche. Before you even begin building your first site, you'll need to decide which niche you're going to target. Obviously, if you don't know what your site is about or who you're going to target with it, you can't really build a site around it, can you? If you've already figured this one out, way to go. This is undoubtedly one of the most difficult and overwhelming steps. If you don't quite know what your niche is yet, here's some advice that you might find useful. Some key questions to ask yourself when determining your niche are: what topics am I already passionate about? It's much easier to work on something if you're passionate about it. Plus, when you have a passion, you're usually quite knowledgeable about it too, so that definitely helps. For example, if you have a passion about makeup, your niche of choice might be makeup related too. Is there money in this niche? While following your passion is definitely the recommended option, sometimes the possibility of making money in a profitable niche trumps passion. So, you might not necessarily know much about your niche, but if it's likely to make you money, you can always learn more about it, right? The topic you choose must have enough depth that you can create a lot of content for it. This is important for building an authoritative site, for search engine optimization, and most importantly, for the end user. If you don't have enough content about a topic, you're not going to be taken very seriously as an authority on the topic, and it's unlikely you can convince someone to make a purchase from you. When choosing an affiliate program, keep these key points in mind. What type of merchants use the program? Affiliate network. You want to make sure other similar sellers are also using the network, as this can help you gauge your likelihood of success with the particular program. How much commission are you likely to make from the products? Make sure you sign up for programs that are profitable and generate a sufficient return on investment. Some tips: if using ClickBank, products should have over a 50% commission, preferably 60%, and have a high gravity rating, meaning they're in demand. For CPA, cost per action, programs, commissions should be over $1, and products shouldn't be overly restrictive in how you can promote them. For physical products, look for commissions over $40. Do you want to be associated with the products and services? The products and services you will be promoting to your audience must be relevant and good quality. Make sure you believe in them and know everything about them, because this will be crucial to you delivering the sales pitch to your audience. You need to build trust with your audience, so make sure the products and services you choose to promote are trustworthy enough. What kind of support does the program provide? Be sure to check what kind of customer support you can expect from your affiliate program once you have signed up. Do your research online and, if possible, speak to other sellers using the program to get their thoughts. Can you speak to someone via phone or Skype, or do you have to wait 72 hours for email responses? Be clear on this, because trust me, you will need support at one point or another. 3. Build a site. If you're a beginner, you don't know how to create a site. You can start creating it with Wix. Wix is a free and easy to use website platform. Just by changing the content and images, you get a website full of information about the product you want to promote. 5. Build an audience. Building an audience for your site will, in some ways, follow naturally once you start producing excellent content. An interested audience will not only bring you consistent traffic, but also result in consistent sales for you. So how do you start building an audience for a completely new site? Here are some ideas. Promote your content via social media. The easiest and most common way to start building an audience for a website is via social media. Depending on your niche and industry, you can choose from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and several other niche and location-specific networks. Building up an engaged and interested following on social media is a great opportunity to build relationships, and once you have their trust, promote your products and services to them. Guest post on high-traffic blogs. While your site is still new, it's a good idea to start capitalizing on someone else's audience. Continue focusing on building your own content, but also considering writing content for a few big, high-traffic blogs that are relevant for your niche. By writing content for a bigger site, you are able to get in front of another audience and showcase your expertise on a particular topic. This will eventually lead to more traffic to your site, as well. Build an email list. Let no one tell you that email marketing is dead. An email list is crucial for every affiliate marketer. You can start building up your email list with a lead magnet like the information products mentioned previously, or even just by encouraging your audience to sign up for your updates. You can then push your content to this audience via email and also direct them to your affiliate offers. Don't be sleazy about the sales, but if you build up enough trust with your email audience, when the time comes, they will not mind purchasing a product from you. Use basic SEO techniques to increase search engine traffic to your site. Organic search remains an important source of traffic for any website, so it's important that you optimize your website for search engines as well. When creating your content, you must always do so keeping the reader in mind first, but don't forget to follow a few basic SEO principles as well. Learn SEO yourself or hire a good SEO marketer to help you maximize on-page and off-page SEO opportunities for your site. If your site starts to appear in search results for terms relevant to your niche, it will be a huge boost towards building your audience and your sales. Invest in paid advertising. Many affiliate marketers use paid advertising to generate additional traffic to their site and drive more sales. Paid advertising on social media is often a good place to start, as these networks tend to be more affordable. You may also want to consider taking out inexpensive banner ads on small niche sites. Depending on your niche, Google AdWords could also be a good option to drive some paid traffic to your site. 6. Promote affiliate offers. Finally, the part we've all been waiting for. This, my friends, is where things really kick into high gear. Many fly-by-night affiliates will jump right to this step and bypass steps 1 to 5 completely. And this is what will set you apart. Once you've shown that you can offer something of value in your niche, it's time to continue adding value by promoting products that will be useful and helpful for your audience. You can promote your offers in a number of ways. It will depend on the type of site you've built and also what you're selling. Some ideas include product reviews. Write honest, real reviews about products. Build up trust with your audience, and remember that they rely on your opinion. Don't just point out all the positives of a product and gloss over the negatives. An honest opinion will be valued. Add compelling images and make mention of useful features, specifications and other details. Your product review can then link to the page with your affiliate ID attached, where your audience can make a purchase if they're interested. If do, hooray! You've made your first sale. Banner ads. You can put up banners on your site to promote your affiliate offers. Most affiliate programs will usually provide their own creatives when you sign up for their offers. All you have to do is insert the banner on a highly trafficked page. Your affiliate tracking is usually embedded within the code. Banner ads in the right locations can do a great job of driving sales. 7. Rinse, lather, and repeat. Now that you're done with steps 1 to 6, step 7 is simply to keep doing what you're doing. Yes, seriously. Your ongoing work as an affiliate marketer will be to repeat steps 4 to 6 on a continual basis. Building a site up to a point where it can make you consistent income takes a bit of work, and you must be willing to constantly create, promote, market, innovate and of course, sell. Review of key points. It can feel overwhelming to do all the necessary work involved in setting up your site and building your reputation. But trust me, once you've made that first sale, all the hard work will be worth it. To sum it all up, making your first affiliate commission requires a bit of work, but if you break it all down and follow it step by step, it won't seem so overwhelming at all. Here's a quick recap of what you need to do. Choose your niche. Research different affiliate programs and products. Build a site. Produce excellent content. Build an audience. Promote your affiliate products. Repeat steps #4 to 7 on a continual basis. As you can see, there is a tried and true strategy when it comes to affiliate marketing for beginners. Put in the work, and you'll soon be reaping the rewards of your first sale. This is what I share with you in this video. If you want to become a more professional marketer, you can find out more of the intensive courses linked below the description. Wish you become the next millionaire by making money online.